We are on the east side of Romania, looking to the Black Sea. So the purpose is to stay as long as possible into the on the east side of NATO to give surveillance to and intelligence to the HQ. I believe that both sides are aware of what we are doing here, protecting NATO airspace, saying that they should not actually go more to the west, and that's what we are here. They know that we are ready.
We take off with as much fuel as we can, but it's not always enough to fulfill the entire mission. So that's why we have a tanker aircraft coming to meet us closer to where we want to have our sensors. And then they give us fuel airborne, so we save a lot of time and basically can stay longer in the area where we want to keep our sensor.
Почти 4 часа мы провели в небе над Румынией и почти столько же над Польшей. Это уже привычная длительность разведывательных полетов НАТО, ну и маршрут, собственно, тоже привычный. И выбран он не случайно, потому что именно таким образом можно увидеть как можно большую часть территории Украины и также европейскую часть территории России.
We can monitor where aircraft take off from, where they're going, where they're flying, and what they're doing. Our mission has focused on showing a credible deterrence and showing the resolve of the alliance. So what we do is we are flying right now on the edge of NATO space to show that we are prepared to defend NATO's borders and that we are fully aware of what's happening everywhere around NATO's airspace. We did see at the outset of the war was a large number of aircraft around Kyiv, around other places in western Ukraine, and we saw that shift drastically over the last several months. So now most of the Russian aircraft that we see are focused in the south and eastern portion of Ukraine. We would like to see civilian air routes reopened around Ukraine, so civilian airliners passing over, and no more Russian aircraft incurring into Ukrainian airspace.